What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful morning, wonderful day, wonderful night, whatever. If you guys saw, I don't know if you guys saw my last previous video, but we went riding. Well, this previous video that I just put, it's gonna be OTM and riding video together combined. Since I didn't really get to record much at OTM, I was just too busy walking around and all that stuff. So I know it's my fault. I was supposed to record a lot more, but I didn't record. I only got a little bit of footage, but I'm still gonna go ahead and put it in and combine it in with the other riding video, so making it to one video. So we went riding, and the shitty ass Polaris fucked up on me again. This time is my brakes. So I saw a video to bleed them out, whatever. I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm hoping it does, but I have no pressure on the brakes, so I can't turn it on. As you know, on the Polaris, you gotta press the brakes to turn it on. And once I press the brakes, it's so squishy. It has no pressure, like firm. It's not hard as it's supposed to be. So yeah, I don't know if it's my fluid, but we're gonna go ahead and check that out in a bit. As if you don't know, I don't think nobody really knows, but the truck fucking up on me again. Well, not even again, it's fucking up on me for the first time. Reliable, finally giving me my first problem. So let me see. I believe it's locked. No, it's locked. Yeah, it's locked. So what the fuck? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Harbor Freight and get some tools that I need. I already looked up what all I need. This one's locked too. God damn it! I got the keys. Hold on, let me go get my keys real quick. All right, we got the keys to the white truck, and I'll just give it a little cold start. Truck. So let me explain to you guys what's going on with that black truck. So I believe on Friday, the day before I left, the same day I left to OTM, I was driving to one of my work, to one of my what you may call it. I was driving to one of my job sites for work, and freaking check engine light popped up. So I was like, well, this can't be good, can't be nothing too bad, you know. So I get home same day, connect the scanner. Turns out it's my oil pressure sensor, which was the same thing that happened to this same truck when they messed up. That was the first problem that he gave me. And as you gonna know, from there it just went on to lifters and camshaft and all this crap went bad on this truck. So what I'm hoping is that maybe this time I caught it early, because I have not moved it ever since that same day I caught the problem. So I bought the sensor. I put it on this same truck myself. It was not hard. It only needed probably like a ratchet extension and a wobble, and the socket, the special socket, I have it somewhere around here in the truck, so I just gotta look for it. We're gonna go Harbor Freight and go buy those stuff real quick, because I need them. I do not have those things, so we're gonna go see and buy them so we can try to hopefully fix this problem. And let's just hope that nothing messes up on this truck. Nothing else messes up on this truck in the future, because as you guys see, I do not want to cam this truck. Maybe not yet, but I don't want to cam it right now. I just want to enjoy it as stock as possible, you know, save me some gas. But we'll see what happens. So see you guys when we get to Harbor Freight. All right, guys. So we're back from Harbor Freight. Here are the things that I bought. Take this shit. Here's some of the things that I bought that I need to change that oil pressure sensor. So I went ahead and bought these extensions. I really don't need all of these. I just need like I only need this one or this one of these two. That's about it. Or one of these two right here I'm gonna need. That's it. All these are just extra. I really don't need them, but it's good to have them just in case. Some wobbles, some, whatever these things are called, universal joint sets. Need some of these so I can get in the tight angles in there. And these aren't really for the truck. I'm gonna use these for the ATV to open brake. So I can open up the brake fluid, the level container, the little reservoir, whatever everything's called, so I can open it up because I don't have any of these. Check if it has any brake fluid first of all, and then that should be it. I have the wrenches at home, so we shouldn't really struggle much, but if we do, then we're gonna have a problem. So see you guys when we get to the house and see what we can take that thing off. All right, guys, so we got the old oil pressure sensor off. I don't know if you guys can see, like, little rubber thread protection or gomme, whatever the hell it's called. It's pretty worn out, so let's hope it's just that and it was just bad. And the new one's right here, Ishidoku one, the part number. Here's the old one. Now to see, hopefully we can get it back in. I mean, like I said, all I needed to use was literally this wobble extension and a 1/4. I think this is a 1/4. Yeah, 1/4 ratchet. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I might be right. But that's basically all I need, and then the socket. So I had ordered this socket a long time ago because I just couldn't find it at the stores. But it's a special socket. It's a oil pressure sensor socket, switch socket, something like that. So I've been having it. Luckily I have it because apparently I heard that you can't take it out with any ordinary socket. It just doesn't fit. But we're gonna try and get it replaced and see. Hopefully that's the problem. So let's compare both. Look, so you guys see the new one and the old one. Old one is a little bit pretty beat up, the thread, but go ahead and switch it up real quick. And just like that, we got it back on. So let me see if you guys can see. I don't know, I doubt you guys will be able to see, but if you guys see that little blue tab right there, that's the pressure sensor switch. It's all the way in the back of the engine. It's not that hard. It's not that hard to change it, bro. Trust me. So I'm hoping that this doesn't cause my lift or anything else to go bad. Just because when it happened to this truck, that was the first problem that it gave me. My oil pressure was not working. It was trash. That it was no signal, no showing, no pressure. Fixed it on that one. Give it probably like a month later. Check engine light came out again, and it said it was a coil. Oh, not a coil. It said it was a cylinder. One of the cylinders was bad. So one of the cylinders was bad. Checked all cylinders, coils, the freaking spark plug, cables, everything. We even got it to check what's it called, an injector. We checked an injector, it was all good. So that's the only last other reason it could be wrong was the lifter. So let's hope this is not bad. It's just a freaking faulty sensor. Let's hope it's that, but alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and try it out. We're gonna scan it. Let's see, hopefully that fixed the problem. It should be the problem. So like, since it still has the code reading, most likely it just hasn't. I need to erase it. So this is the code. If you guys get it, this is the code that I was getting. So see, now it says NA. It's gone. So that's the good thing. So I guess all we gotta do is now scroll, erase, yes, bam, code is gone. So that's about it. So it should not pop up anymore. Should be it. So I did order some parts for this truck. They're in my house already. I just haven't had time. And I'll do a revealing video and show you guys what it is that I got and what I'm planning on doing with those things. And like I said, I'll let you guys go. Hope you have a wonderful day. See you guys in the next one. Deuces.